Sorry, I'm so embarazada right now.
You're pregnant?
Pregnant? No, I mean I'm nervous. Oh, embarrassed. I'm embarrassed.
Exactly. And don't worry, we're friends. We're only role playing. Let's practice. I'll be your date and then I'll coach you.
Good, because dating in English makes my mind go completely blank.
If dating in English makes you nervous, this video is for you.
Welcome to Chat and Learn English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ben. Today you'll learn what to say, what to ask, and how to recover from awkward silence.
And I'll make the mistakes so you don't have to.
Watch for today's main skill. Answer, add a detail, then ask a question back.
Hi, Sophia. It's nice to meet you in person.
Yes.
That's opener number one cold word. Give me another.
Hello, what is your age?
Grammatically possible, but it sounds like a form, not a date. Try something warmer.
Okay, hi, it's great to finally meet you. How's your day going?
Much better. Pretty good, thanks. I had a busy morning. How about yours?
Mine was good. I got here early and walked around the neighborhood. Have you been to this coffee shop before?
Nice. Those questions connect to the moment.
Then I can say I have 25 years, right?
Not in English. In Spanish, you say tengo 25 años, and Portuguese uses tenho 25 años. But English uses the verb be, I'm 25. Repeat after me. I'm 25.
I'm 25.
Now repeat. It's great to finally meet you. How's your day going?
It's great to finally meet you. How's your day going?
The rule, start warm and simple. Ask about the day, the place, or something happening around you.
So, what do you like to do on weekends?
Movies.
Oh, what kind?
Comedy.
Cool.
That was painful.
Because I had to do all the work. A one-word answer closes the door. Now use the formula. Answer, detail, question back. What do you do on weekends?
Movies.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually watch comedies. They help me relax after work. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies too, especially clever ones. Have you seen anything good lately?
Yes! I watched a funny movie about two neighbors. What was the last movie that made you laugh?
See, now the conversation has somewhere to go. Repeat the pattern. I usually watch comedies. They help me relax. What kind of movies do you like?
I usually watch comedies. They help me relax. What kind of movies do you like?
There's one more upgrade. Closed questions often get yes or no. Listen.
Do you like your job?
Yes.
And now what?
Open the question with what, how, or why. Say, what do you like about your job?
What do you like about your job?
I like solving problems with my team. What part of your work do you enjoy most? Repeat after me. What do you like about your job?
What do you like about your job?
The rule, don't just answer. Answer, add one useful detail, and ask a related question back.
Yes.
Silence is normal. Recovering is the skill. Use a bridge to change topics.
We were talking about movies. Speaking of movies, have you ever acted in one?
Good bridge, though that's a hard question. Try something more natural.
Speaking of movies, what's your favorite movie snack?
Popcorn, definitely. And that reminds me, is useful when the connection is looser.
That reminds me, I once made popcorn and it went everywhere. Do you like cooking?
Perfect. You can also return to a detail. So how did you...
You said you moved here last year, so how did you choose this neighborhood?
Exactly. You're showing that you listened. Repeat. Speaking of movies, what's your favorite movie snack?
Speaking of movies, what's your favorite movie snack?
And if nothing comes, be honest. Sorry, my mind went blank. It sounds human, not terrible.
Sorry, my mind went blank. What were you saying?
Great reset. Repeat after me. Sorry, my mind went blank.
Sorry, my mind went blank.
The rule, use speaking of. That reminds me. Or, so how did you to build a bridge? If needed, reset honestly. Mid-video recap, warm opener, answer, plus detail, plus question. then a bridge when the conversation slows down.
Your eyes are acceptable.
Wow, thank you, I think.
Too strange?
A little. Compliment someone's style, energy, or conversation. Keep it specific and relaxed.
I like your jacket. That color looks great on you.
Natural.
You're really easy to talk to.
Even better because it's warm without being too personal. Repeat after me. You're really easy to talk to.
You're really easy to talk to. Good, I'm not embarazada anymore.
Careful. Embarazada in Spanish means pregnant. In English, say, I'm embarrassed. Portuguese speakers may think of embarazada, but the safe English phrase is still, I'm embarrassed. Repeat, I'm a little embarrassed.
I'm a little embarrassed. My friend is very sympathetic. Everyone likes him.
Sympathetic means he understands someone's pain. Spanish and Portuguese, simpático usually means nice or friendly.
He's really friendly. My sister is very sensible. She cries easily.
Here's an important correction. English sensible means practical and reasonable, like Spanish sensato or Portuguese sensato. For someone who's easily hurt, say sensitive.
My sister is very sensitive.
Exactly. Repeat, he's really friendly. She's very sensitive.
He's really friendly. She's very sensitive.
The rule: choose simple, genuine compliments, and watch false friends that look familiar, but change meaning in English.
How old are you? What's your salary? Are you married? Why are you single?
Whoa, 4 questions, 4 red lights?
But in many parts of Latin America and Brazil, some of those can be ordinary small talk.
Absolutely. Different places have different norms. On many English-speaking first dates, those questions can feel intrusive before trust develops. Neither culture is wrong. The expectation is simply different.
So what are the safe versions?
Instead of exact age, ask, what was your favorite thing about growing up? Or skip age.
What was your favorite thing about growing up?
Summer afternoons with my friends. Instead of salary, ask, what do you enjoy about your work?
What do you enjoy about your work?
Instead of, are you married? Ask about what they're looking for, only if it fits the conversation. What are you hoping to find right now?
What are you hoping to find right now?
Replace, why are you single? With what matters to you in a relationship. It invites values without demanding an explanation.
What matters to you in a relationship?
Repeat the safe versions. What was your favorite thing about growing up? What do you enjoy about your work? What matters to you in a relationship?
What was your favorite thing about growing up? What do you enjoy about your work? What matters to you in a relationship?
The rule: different culture, different norms. Early on, choose open questions about experiences, interests, work, and values, not private facts.
The practice date is ending. What do you say?
Thank you. Goodbye forever.
Clear but dramatic. If you enjoyed it, say, I had a really good time.
I had a really good time. Would you like to do this again sometime?
Perfect. In our role play, my answer is yes, and now we step out of character. We're still friends, everyone.
Very clear, but how do I say no kindly?
Be honest and brief. You're great, but I don't think we're a match. Don't promise another date if you don't want one. Repeat the positive ending. I had a really good time. Would you like to do this again sometime?
I had a really good time. Would you like to do this again sometime?
Now the kind decline. You're great, but I don't think we're a match.
You're great, but I don't think we're a match.
The rule: end clearly and kindly. Show interest with a direct invitation or decline without giving false hope.
Sofia, what's the formula that keeps a conversation alive?
Answer, add a detail, and ask a related question back.
Your 3 escape bridges?
Speaking of, That reminds me. And so, how did you? And if I'm stuck? Sorry, my mind went blank.
What questions should wait until there's more trust?
Age, salary, marital status, and why are you single? I'll ask about experiences, interests, work, and values instead.
The rule for the whole lesson: you don't need perfect English. Listen, add one detail and give the other person an easy way to continue.
Now it's your turn. What's the first date question in English that scares you most?
Write it in the comments and try answering it with one detail and a question back.
Subscribe to Chat and Learn English for practical conversations you can use in real life.
Next time, make versus do. Stop mixing them up.
See you in the next lesson.